Hello and welcome to the Basecamp tutorial. As you can see on screen, you would have already been invited by a staff member to join Basecamp. Click on the green link to join and get started. Once you've clicked on the invite link, it will take you to the Basecamp signing page. It will require you either sign up with a Gmail account or to make an account. When you're making an account, you are required to enter your first and last name, email address, and password. Once you've reviewed and confirmed your password, click OK. Let's go to get started. Now that you've signed up, you're ready for the Basecamp tutorial. To begin with, let's explain the tabs which can be found at the top of the page. Home will list the teams and projects you are a part of, along with a search function to look up any teams or projects you cannot find. Hey is where you will receive all your notifications, such as being invited to join a specific team or project. Activity is where you can see all the real-time interactions that are occurring within your specific project. My Stuff is an overall summary of your personal assignment, schedules, drafts, recent activity, and bookmarks. Finally, the Find tab allows you to search for anything which is on Basecamp that you have access to. When you're ready, click on your specific project to proceed. Welcome to your project page. As you can see, the title of the page is located below the tabs. Now that you have understood the basics of Basecamp, let's begin exploring the project page. Message board is the most used component of the client's Basecamp. All important documents, information, and discussions will be held in this segment, so it is important to stay up to date and use this to ask any questions. To stay up to date, you will receive emails into your email account regarding things that have been posted into your specific project, such as comments, invoices, and designs. If you are unable to access Basecamp but have access to your emails and wish to reply, simply click on what you need to respond to via your message and click Send. Once sent, your email response will be directly sent to the Basecamp comments section for all involved to see. Please use Message Board for uploading all documents. It's just like an email. You click on the paperclip icon or drag and drop files into Message Box. Moving on, the To-Do section contains a list of all the work required to complete before moving on to the next step of your project, ensuring everything on your to-do list is finalized and ticked off. It can assist in your project being completed in a smooth and effective manner. And now that we have gone through everything, you're ready to begin your journey with us at iMark Infotech. We will be there every step of the way until your project is completed. So good luck and happy building!